Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your My Weight scale. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Make sure your My Smart Scale has fresh batteries, typically 4 AAA batteries, for optimal performance. Next, download the official MyFit or Zepp Life application from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, simply create a new account or log into your existing profile to proceed. Now, let's pair your scale with the application. Open the MyFit or Zepp Life app on your smartphone. From the main screen, navigate to the Profile tab, usually found at the bottom right. Then, select Add Device and choose Scale from the list of available options. Finally, step onto your My Scale to activate its Bluetooth signal, making it discoverable for pairing. With your scale paired, it's time to take your first measurement. For the most accurate readings, stand barefoot on the scale, ensuring your feet are evenly placed. The app will then display your weight and other body composition metrics, such as body fat percentage, within a few seconds. All this valuable data will automatically sync and be stored in your personal app profile for easy tracking. If you encounter any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. Always keep your smartphone within a few feet of the scale during measurements to maintain a stable connection. Double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. If problems persist, try restarting the app or your phone. For consistent accuracy, always place your My Scale on a hard, flat surface, avoiding carpets or uneven flooring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.